This tutorial is to show how to upload a subject list to the easyTone app using the easyTone companion software. The easyTone app has the option of 5 columns to be imported for the easyTone screening list, and Other field, which is used for any general information such as grade, teacher name, or school name. The list of subjects can be created in an Excel or CSV document. Have this prepared prior to connecting the tablet to the computer. Open the easyTone companion software and establish a connection. Select the Import Subject List button and choose an Excel or CSV file from your computer files. The Import Subject screen will open within the easyTone companion software. This screen allows for correct association of the column titles between the imported list and the easyTone companion software. Use the drop-down next to each column title to match the title from the Excel or CSV document. For example, the first column name within the easyTone companion software is ID, but the column title within the Excel list is Subject ID. Since this is the correct content for this field, associate for correct population. Do this for each column title. If there is no content to populate a column, or you wish not to import the content, leave the selection with dashes. When association is done for each necessary column, select Import. At least one column needs to be associated to continue. The easyTone companion software will display a limited list for verification. Select the Upload button to transfer the names to the easyTone app and the screening list page. In the bottom right corner, a pop-up is displayed to confirm successful upload. This completes the tutorial on how to upload a subject list into the easyTone app. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.